known as Textiles, and today I'm going to talk through our Easi Flex system. The Easi Flex system is a heading type that uses a special carrier within the track that is connected on string. These carriers are available at 3 spacings. There's a 5.4, a 6 or an 8 cm spacing. The carrier is then used in conjunction with a special trident hook that connects into a special tape. The tape has a row of pockets, 1 cm wide, and at set intervals there is a stitching mark to allow you to quite easily locate either a 12 cm or a 16 cm wave depending which row of pockets you're using. You can space them wherever you want, but obviously you'll need to count the pockets. In this case here I'm using a 6 cm carrier spacing, so a 12 cm pleat. Pop your hook into the tape like so, just over each of the markings, and then that will create your pleat depth. These hooks then snap into the carriers within the track and will alternate as you go along, popping each one into the next carrier. The combination of the carrier distance and the distance between the hooks is what creates the overall pleat depth and will ultimately determine your fullness. Once you've got your carriers in place, your hooks in place, you can align them up to create your back and forward pleats. Within the first and second carrier you have a stock carrier which just allows you to hang a draw rod, but also provides a little bit of friction to stop the curtain springing back